In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some new updates with our table formatting here in the Google Sheets tables. If you have been using these tables, there are new features that you can definitely use to improve the appearance of your tables. So this new update is our table formatting, and you would be able to see this if you go to your table menu right here at the top. If you click on that arrow down, you'll have this table formatting right here. So there's so many options that you can do now. You can show your grid lines, have your alternating colors, have a condensed view, and add a table footer. You also have your advanced options right here, which we can explore more a little later. So first, we have our table grid lines. If we select that, there you have it. We have added those grid lines that we don't usually see inside the table. And these are the same grid lines that we see outside our table. Our next option would be, if we go back, our alternating colors. Now, this is already an option that you can select before, but now it's added to our table formatting options. And if you select it, there you have it. We have the white and a lighter gray color for our data. Our next option would be our condensed view. So if we click on this, our table is now aligned to the regular size of our cells outside the table. So if you prefer this type of view, you can definitely select that. And the last option would be to add a table footer. So if we click on that, you'll see at the bottom, it has added another row where all the total for our quantity, price, and total purchase is already shown at the bottom. And it has used the sum function to get those total. So we have 4 new options that we can do for our tables, and that's going to be our show our grid lines, alternating colors, have a condensed view, and our table footer. If we go to our advanced options right here, it will open a panel on the right where you can customize the style or the look of your table. Here we can custom our style where we can change the header color, color 1 and color 2 for our alternating colors, and even a different color for your footer if you do decide to add it in your table. If we deselect everything right here, again, these are the same options that we just selected a while ago. It will revert back to the original look of your table. If you decide to have those alternating colors, you can select the alternating colors right here. Again, you can change them, even the header. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's select a different color for this table right here. And you can choose any color that you want for this. It's totally up to you. I'm going to be sticking with the green color. So let's have a dark green for the header. There you have it. Color 1 would be a slightly dark green. And for color number 2 would be a light green. And there you have it. So still sticking to one color, just different shades. And if you do have that table footer, if we click on this, you can also select a different color for that. Let's have it into a different shade of a dark green right here. And there you have it. Now again, if you want that condensed view, you can always select that and show those grid lines. You can also add those. So here we have definitely changed the look of our table with those new updates here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.